Never again worry about that stain on your clothes. Join me today as we talk about creating a stain-fighting first aid kit. First, try to catch the stain as soon as you notice it. The sooner you act, the easier it is to remove. The fresher the stain is, the easier it is to remove. So let's head on over to your stain fighting first aid kit and we'll get started. Here's what I have in my stain fighting first aid kit. Spray and wash, color safe bleach, baking soda, club soda, table salt, kosher salt, rubbing alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, distilled white vinegar, dishwashing soap. I prefer the clear kind, but we know we can't always find the clear kind. Liquid laundry soap, soft cotton cloths, and a soft bristle toothbrush. Those are my go-to stain fighting items that I always have available and always have on hand. I keep these items in a cabinet above my washing machine for easy access. As soon as I notice someone got some spaghetti on their shirt, they came in with some grass stains on their knees, whatever it is, my husband got some oil on the sleeve of his favorite t-shirt, I go right into my laundry room, I grab out the items I need for my stain kit, and I get started. So go create your own stain fighting first aid kit so that way you'll never be afraid to tackle anything that comes your way. Please subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organizational videos. Share this video with all your friends and all over your social media. And leave me a comment down below. What other things would you add to your stain fighting first aid kit? What other things are your necessity that you have to have whenever you see your child walk in with stains all over their clothes? Let me know because I'm always looking for new tips and tricks. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next vid.